Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Nicole. I am back with another video. I have a special guest here today, my little sister, Wynter. I'm going to put all her information in the information box below. So, y'all, this is what we have today. We got corn, we got potatoes, we got a couple shrimp, and we got some butter for the butter people, and then we got the beloved sauce. You know, I got to have that on deck because I love me some of this sauce.
And we love some beloved.
And we love some beloveds. Hey, beloveds life. Anyway, so I guess we're going to go ahead and we're finna get this party started right here because I'm hungry as usual. I'm going to start with me a shrimp.
I'm going to get a potato.
A potato. Potato. So country.
With some butter.
Now, today, I didn't saute these shrimp. I just threw them in the pot with the crab legs. No, with the crab legs. Threw them in the pot with the crab legs and kept it moving. And they kept their size, so I think I'm going to start doing it from now on. Let me see what it tastes like first.
I'm going to taste the beloved sauce. This is my first time tasting it.
What? It's good? Good.
That recipe though.
Girl, I done revamped it so many dang times. So well, I got it right like how I like it.
So, a fun fact about me. I don't like cooked fruit.
What? What's cooked fruit?
Like apple pie.
Me either.
I don't like funnel cakes with strawberries on top.
Now you tripping. Now you tripping hard.
That's nasty to me.
Funnel cakes are good.
I don't like key lime pie. You don't have no problem with stealing that from me.
I just got into key lime pie.
I like coconut cream pie though.
I hate coconut.
I love me some coconut. But
look at this stuff.
Let's get on this.
What are we gonna talk about?
This Megatron, Nicki Minaj last night. Listen to it.
Oh man, I didn't see it. Or what is that?
It's a song.
Oh, well you tell them about it because I don't know what you're talking about.
My bitch is back from the dead. Well, from
wait a minute, are you team Nicki Minaj or team Cardi B?
First off, I grew up listening to Nicki Minaj.
Okay, understandable.
Second of all, I love Cardi, but there was a Nicki hate train. I'm just keep it 100.
Girl.
Oh, Nicki will always be that bitch in my eyes.
Okay. I guess so. So back to the whatever happened with Nicki Minaj last night.
Yeah, so she dropped Megatron. Girl, you know how she raps.
Oh. That's a bit much. But okay.
Most definitely.
And that was the CD she dropped?
Just a single.
Okay.
But who I'm really waiting on is Rihanna. You know I'm a reggae fan. So, like, she gotta come on. She gotta come with it.
She taking her precious ass time, too. Come on, Riri. We missing you, girlfriend.
You know, every time she drop, we the only thing she plant. Okay? I probably said that backwards, but
Yeah.
you get it.
Mm-hmm.
Let me dip me some B-Love.
Wow. That B-Love life. B-Love life. That B-Love sauce hitting the damn.
Bite. No cap.
No crap. Mm-hmm. I'm so hungry. I don't make no sense. Spicy a little bit. Spicy a little bit.
It's good though.
It is. Mm.
So, when did you start braiding? If y'all don't know, my sister actually braids hair. And she fine.
And she fine.
And she got a lot of clientele off of braiding hair. So, when was your first time braiding somebody's hair?
I think we talked about this on the very, very first video.
Really?
But I'll say I started braiding hair when I was 13 years old.
I was yet thought of, but okay.
Yes, you were.
I was?
Wait a minute. That's for another show. Anyway, but whatever. I've been braiding hair for quite some time. I just retired
She's still fine.
recently because I passed it down to my kids. Now they do it. But yeah. That's a fun fact about me. I hate these ones right here. The meat tastes different from the inside of them, but I'm gonna eat it.
It tastes more chewy.
Yeah, the texture is more firm. So Wynter, tell them your beliefs.
So,
That's a good one.
I really don't want people thinking that I'm atheist, but I'm not really religious. Like, I don't like when people try to throw their religion on me, so to say. Like my dad. Girl.
Wait a
Girl, Walter talking about some. Wynter, do you believe in God? He done asked me this already before. I'm like,
you believe there's a higher power?
I believe that there's a higher power that's guiding us, and I always acknowledge my ancestors. You know, I'm not E5, none of that either. I'm just me, and I'm here on this earth, experiencing and figuring shit out, so to speak. And like, you know, I'm a big energy person. I'm very intuitive, so if I don't like you, honestly, like off the rip, and I feel some type of way about you when you come in contact with me, it's all you, partner.
Yeah, that's, you know what? That's me. I work off of vibes. I'm not a religious person either. Me and my sister share similar views.
And I love talking to people who have different views than I am, that I have, because you know, like
It's a
Christians,
learning experience.
you can't talk to them. So like when I get around Christians, I just keep my mouth closed because I ain't got time for some. It's just the truth.
That's getting bleep.
Well,
That is the truth, though.
people who constantly judge others to be telling me I'm going to hell because I'm not believing in what you believing in.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, believe in yourself. You get up every morning, work your job, get this money. I always say keep faith though. I believe in faith. Have some faith. That shit gonna go your way. But you get up, do your 9 to 5, come home, take care of your kids. That ain't nothing but all you and your energy.
Mm-hmm. And I don't knock nobody that is Christian or that is
Either. Do what you do.
Cause I grew up in a Christian church.
We both did. Like, well, I ended up with me in a church because me and her was born in two different
times.
She was on generation.
Yeah.
She was born in 85.
6.
86. I keep getting it. So,
Mm-hmm.
85, 86. And I was born in 2000. I know I'm a little wise for my age.
Very. Which is why I can talk to her. You know. Ooh, there go another shrimp. I was looking for one too. Yeah. So I don't know. This is a good one. Like, I didn't even think we was gonna talk about nothing like this. It just popped up in my mind. But yeah, a lot of people are like, oh, she don't believe in God, she don't this and she don't. It's not that I don't believe in God. I believe in a higher power. I think God is within us. I believe that God is within us.
And like, to stray from the topic a little bit too, like, to me the Bible is allegorical. If you get what I'm saying, like, it's misused.
Right.
Like, I know people been talking about, oh, it's missing parts, this and this and that, but you have to decode that on your own.
Mm-hmm.
You can't take what somebody else is telling you and run with it.
Right.
I don't believe everything I hear. I process it in the moment and be like, oh, true, what? But then on my own time, I go read books. We got a phone. You can go.
Everything is so easily accessible these days. Easily.
Like, you can find free books on your phone.
Oh no, that's mine's here. Especially you iPhone users, because I'm one myself. All these apps and stuff, y'all can find them. I'm telling you, that. Just do your research. I feel like nobody should be forced to believe something that someone else believes. You know what I'm saying? Make that up in your mind on your own.
Period.
Do your research. I have studied, well, I'm not going to say studied, but I have did and dabbed into many different religions, you know? And me, if something don't make sense to me, it don't make sense to me. No matter how many ways I try to figure it out, if it don't make sense to me, it just don't make sense to me. So what I figured out over the years, I just have to come up with my own, like, let me tell you something. God is within you.
Most definitely.
And that's how I feel. God is within you. And that is what that is. My children. I'm not forcing them to go to church, do this, do that. You have your life. You make your decisions. I'm your parent. I help you along the way. That's how I do it.
Yeah, because it's like, I don't know what proverb this is, African, I don't know where, but I heard your child is not yours.
Mm.
Your child is for you to guide them and assist them on their earthly experiences.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Keep them protected. I mean, you, of course, as a parent, you're supposed to do the basics. Protect them. Make sure they're on the right path. I'm not saying that I just let them choose what they want to do as far as like, oh, well, if you want to get up and not go to school today, then no, you don't go to school. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is I'm not going to force any type of religion on them. We've been to church 1,000 times.
it's always good to hear the word.
You know, it's good to hear positive things, but when you're, how can I put it? Oh, I forgot my sodas, and I'm so thirsty. You want to go get it out the freezer?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Yeah, I need some soda. Bad.
They ain't sponsoring our ass, but you get the gist.
Mm. Y'all, my teeth so sensitive. What did we leave off at? Oh goodness, I don't even know. But pretty much, I'm not one to force any nothing on my kid. Just like I just
We're very liberal.
Yeah. Yeah. I try not to speak because people get in their feelings so much. You know what I'm saying? But you can't stop me from being me. I'm gonna be me.
Like, it was this one girl I
Period.
went to school with. Man, you could say, oh, I don't believe in Christianity. Well, I don't support or indulge in Christianity. Oh, what? Oh, Jesus is my Lord and Savior. This and this and that. I ain't even gonna get into deep in that because
I mean, if that's their beliefs, that's just like somebody saying what we believe in is like wrong and all this and that. I'm not telling you it's wrong. You know, just don't try to force it. I understand what you have. Everybody need to have something to look up to, right? But just don't force it. Mm-mm.
like veganism and not eating meat. Like,
Don't force it on me. Don't force it. Don't force that shit on me.
because I was a whole vegetarian for like a whole year. I ain't gonna say vegan like some people and they don't be fucking vegan. Some people don't believe it because I'm big bone, but I was. And
Yes,
I
she
did.
was.
And that speaks volumes about people's will. Because changing your diet that drastically is very hard to do.
It sure is, because I know I couldn't say I can't do it, but you was on it. You was on it too, went for a whole year.
I ain't eating no meat. Like, it's really different. Like a different experience because you wake up feeling more energized. you don't get as angry. People won't tell you this, but meat make you angry. Like, it make you act like a damn animal. I'm telling you. It make you act that way.
Everybody's entitled to their own opinions.
Hey.
Because I don't act like no damn animal. And I be eating up some meat. Okay. But I think it got something to do with the way the animal dies.
Yes.
Yeah, that's probably what you're talking about.
It's the energy inside them, like, they didn't want to go out like that. Do you want to go out like that? Getting stabbed in the head, neck cut off while you just mooing? That ain't what's up.
Yeah, that is a bit much. And you know what? I kind of feel like since I done got older, I'll be like, man, some of this meat tastes funny. Smell funny. Like all kind of stuff. And I'll be like, you know what? But how the hell am I gonna go vegan? Like I have my best friend is vegan. And she eats zero meat. She don't eat no fish. I don't know the difference between the ones that eat fish or just seafood.
Pescatarian.
Pescatarian? Okay. Well, my friend is vegan. She ain't eating no meat. No, none of that. No animal products, none of that stuff. And we have functions at her house all the time. Well, she has functions at her house all the time, and we go. And it's like, she'd be like, well, bring a dish. And I'm just like, okay. And it'd be so hard for me to just go in the store and just find something. Because I just be like, what can I get? Like I don't know. Because I don't know how to cook it. I don't know nothing. Like,
That definitely was a learning
it'll be hard as hell to be a vegan for me. I don't know about nobody else, but for me. I gotta find out what that, just like them chickpeas. Is that the hummus?
And that's very good.
It was good, but I don't know if I could just eat chickpeas and grains of, I don't even know what for the rest of my life. Like, come on. I do believe one day that I will go vegan. I believe that. But like right now, that sounds good, ain't it?
It's most definitely good.
Oh. Anyway, that was nasty. I'm done. I'm full. I'm full. You got anything else to talk about? I mean, because we can talk for days, like, especially about that subject right there. I'm pretty sure, you know what? I know right now, my YouTube channel got a couple people on it or whatever. But this right here, I feel, I don't know. What you think? Because people probably get mad at that.
This video?
About the religion part of it.
They just tell them where their chakras at. Spinning the wrong way and shit.
I mean, hey, this is who I am. That is who my sister is. We are good people. We don't do crazy stuff out here in the world or whatever. Like, we just like everybody else. So, don't like or dislike us for what we believe in. Like or dislike us for something that we've done to you, or, you know, the other way around.
Because, like,
I mean,
y'all folks still mess with half of these celebrities, and they some wicked motherfuckers. Okay, some wicked motherfuckers. Period.
I don't know now, cause hey. But because I don't even know what to say to that. That just went totally left field. But I mean, yeah, guys. So, I guess that was it for. Oh, that's yours. All right, y'all. I don't know what just happened, but anyway, so y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. There will be more guests, you know, all of that. whatever.
You most definitely
Y'all
see me
make
again.
sure, y'all, of course, y'all will see her again. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And y'all have fun the rest of the day. Bye.